Welcome to English Grammar class, dear students. I shall begin after taking the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19, a promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus, a promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. So, dear students, we are reading chapter number 4, articles. Now, please open up your books at page number 26. We are going to begin with exercise B, which is insert articles where necessary. So first is, here is list of participants. Now list, there we mean one list. So we will insert the article A here. Here is a list of participants. Who made coffee? Now both the speaker and listener are familiar with the coffee, because this is why the speaker is asking to the listener about the coffee. So we will insert the article the here. Who made the coffee? I am short of cash now. Now this sentence does not need any article to be inserted in it. So we will write no change. Next is, today is cloudless day. Now this means we are talking about one cloudless day. So we will insert the article A between is and cloudless. Today is a cloudless day. Next is, she breathed sigh of relief. Now we are talking about one sigh of relief. So we will insert the article A between breathed and sigh. She breathed a sigh of relief. Chair is made of plastic. Now we are talking about whole class of chair. So we will insert the article the and then chair with a small c, not with a capital C. The chair is made of plastic. Again, rose is beautiful flower. Rose, which means we are talking about the whole class of roses. So we will insert the article the before rose. The rose is beautiful flower. You have done excellent job. Now excellent is an adjective of quality. So for the adjective of quality, we insert the article an before it. You have done an excellent job. She had dog with smooth coat. Now she had dog. We are talking about one dog that she have. So we will insert the article A between had and dog. She had a dog with smooth coat. Could you shut door, please? Now the speaker is talking to someone to shut the door. That means both the speaker and both the listener are familiar with the door. So we will insert the article the between shut and door. Could you shut the door, please? They are staying at hotel, which means they are going to stay at one hotel. So we will insert the article A before hotel. Cook the vegetables on low heat. Now this sentence does not need any article to be inserted in it as well. So we will write no change. Captain held trophy in air. So now captain is an important pronoun. So for these kind of important pronouns, we use the article the before it. The captain, and then trophy is also one important thing. So we will again use the before it, and then air is one of its kind. So here also we will use the in front of it, before it. So the sentence will be, the captain held the trophy in the air. Interview lasted half hour. So now both the listener and speaker are familiar with the interview. So we will place the article the before the interview. The interview lasted half hour. He is highest ranked player in country. Now highest is an adjective of quality. And before these kinds of adjectives of quality, we insert the article the. Then before any names of any countries, we always insert the article the. So here we will also insert the article the before country. He is the highest ranked player in the country. I have to buy new pair of shoes, which means one pair of shoes. So we will write it as I have to buy a new pair of shoes. We'll have to get to root of problem. So now both the listener and speaker knows about the problem. So this is why we have used the article the before root and the before problem. Now next is giving wrong information is an offense. Now we have used the article and before offense because offense is giving us a vowel sound. I work for company that makes computer. This means I work for one company, and to represent one we write the article a before company. Be quiet or you will wake whole house. Now we are talking about whole house, and for the things where we have to represent the whole class of things we use the article the. This is first time she has been late for work. Now before the ordinals like first, second, third and last we use the article the. So this is the first time she has been late for work. Dark clouds in sky gave hint that it was going to rain. Now dark clouds is representing to the quality, adjective of quality. So we will use the article the before it. Now both the listener and speaker are familiar with the situation here. So we will use the before the hint, and now sky is one of its kind, so again we will use the before it. Only way to win the match is to practice hard. So only means we are going to represent one of its kind, so we will write the only here. So next is it was fifth day running that fog had continued. Now fifth is an ordinal, so we will use the adjective the article the before it, and then the fog. Fog is one of its kind, so we will write the article the before it. What made you decide on career as teacher? Now here we have written article a before career and a before teacher to represent or to mean one. Insert articles where necessary, put a X where you don't need one. So first is Seema and I met up last month. So this is a sentence where we do not require any article to be inserted. So we will put an X here. Shelly is going to bazaar to get dash new salwar kameez for herself. Now we have inserted the article the before bazaar and a new salwar suit. Here bazaar means the important name of a place. So when we have to represent the important things, we always use the article the before it. So we will write the before it, and a new salwar suit here is to mean one. Now next is pulses are a great source of proteins. Now this also does not need any article to be inserted in it. So we will put an X here. Honesty is dash best policy. So here we do not need to insert any article before honesty. But best is an adjective of quality. So we will insert the article the before it. Meera and Suhita are the best of friends. So we have again inserted article the before best of friends because best is representing to the adjective of quality. I survived on dash books and dash music during my years at the hostel. Now again this is the sentence where we do not need any article to insert in it. So we will put a X and X in both the blanks. Next is I dropped the vase by dash mistake. I dropped the vase by mistake. Now this is complete in itself. So we will not insert any article in it. So we will put an X here. I was in dash college when mum telephoned. I was in college when mum telephoned. So this again does not need any article to insert in it. So we will put an X here. Father and mother are going to dash theatre house to watch dash play. Now theatre house is a particular thing. So, and this is the name of an important place, so we will insert the article the before it, and again they are going to watch one play here, so we will write the article A to mean one. Dad is making dinner for us, it will be ready in a while. So here this sentence is complete in itself, so we do not need any article to insert here, so we will put a X. Dash year 2019 was a good year for me. So we are talking about a particular year. So the year 2019 was a good year for me. We have inserted the article the before year. Now my brother was born in 2014. Now this sentence is also complete in itself, so we will not put any article here. So we will write only X. So that's all for today, dear students. All the very best.